as far as a lawyer or a real estate person or anybody that I needed to help me get this house.
Not only that, John, we didn't even know how much money we needed. We didn't have a clue. We just thought it was astronomical, and we sort of discounted it, put it out of our minds.
And that's when Bob sat there and looked at us and he said, well, what you have to do is put together a plan. And with that, he reached down and he moved his coffee cup off the placemat and he picked up this placemat. I still have it. I'm not a collector, but I still have it because it...
You gotta look at this. It's great. It says the Prince Hotel down there. And
Bob turned it over and he wrote us out a recipe of what we needed to do to get this house. And he wrote a statement on top of the placemat, and it says, decide on the amount you want to live the way you want to live, and go for it.